Welcome to the tutorial explaining the new browser dictionary feature of Accurity. This new feature connects your business glossary to your browser and allows you to scan for business terms from your glossary in any online text you are reading. Browser Dictionary comes as an add-on for the Google Chrome browser and is available from the Chrome Web Store. After installing it, an Accurity logo shaped icon will appear in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Clicking the icon will open a small login screen. Log in using the credentials to your Accurity business glossary. By doing this, you allow the browser dictionary to tap into your glossary without having to open the solution itself. Next, open a page in your browser that contains terms that are contained and documented in your glossary. Click on the Accurity icon in the top right corner to display the browser dictionary interface and click the Show Business Terms button. After that, every word in the page you have opened that has a match in your business glossary will be highlighted in your Chrome browser. You can read the definition of each of these business terms by hovering your cursor over the word. This causes a pop-up definition box to appear. This way, you can access the business term's definition directly and keep it within the context of the text you are reading. If you want to know more about a specific business term contained in your text, click its definition box to open Business Glossary in a new window or tab of your browser. And this will show the detailed view of the chosen business term. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use the new Browser Dictionary add-on. In case you want to know more about Browser Dictionary or another feature of Accurity, click the Help button in the top right corner to open the Accurity User Guide. Feel free to contact us with any feedback you may have. We wish you smooth and efficient use of Accurity. Goodbye.